Samsara's devices are designed to be installed in minutes. The dual-facing AI dash cam captures high-definition video of critical events on the road and in the cab and uploads the events to the Samsara dashboard. You can detect risk and protect your organization with a seamless cloud-based video retrieval. Empower drivers to build safe driving habits with AI-based voice coaching and video-based coaching workflows, and unlock smart safety improvements with actionable insights. Let's now walk through how you can set up your dual-facing AI dash cam today. When you open the box, you'll find your dual-facing AI dash cam, cable clips, a cleaning wipe, and an Allen key. You can identify the camera model by the description of the box or the model number on the back of the camera. Depending on your organization's needs, you may need to install additional accessories like the angled windshield shim or privacy lens covers. Contact your sales representative if you would like to install these accessories inside your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle gateway is installed and activated, and that you are in an area with reliable cellular connectivity. The following tools can help you with your installation: alcohol greater than 70% concentration, a lint-free cloth, and a rigid pry tool such as a flathead screwdriver or a body trim pry tool. To begin, start by identifying the camera mounting location inside your vehicle for optimal visibility and accurate AI event detections. This should be below the rearview mirror and within the windshield wiper sweep. Choose a location with clear glass, avoiding areas with black coating or dot patterns, and assure there is adequate clearance for Allen key access on both sides of the device. To prepare the windshield mounting surface and any areas intended for cable clip installation, use the provided alcohol wipe to remove any residual cleaner residue. If further cleaning is needed, use a lint-free cloth with alcohol that is 70% or greater in concentration. To ensure the dash cam securely adheres to your window, make sure the surface is completely dry. Allow all alcohol residue to evaporate fully before installation, and remove any condensation. Wiping the windshield with a clean, lint-free cloth can speed up drying. Install the dash cam only when temperatures are above 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. In colder conditions, use the vehicle's windshield defroster or a heat gun to help the adhesive bond effectively for a secure installation. If present, remove the protective film off the dash cam lens. This may not be present on all devices. Also, remove the adhesive liner. Firmly press the camera against the windshield for 30 seconds. Note: apply pressure quickly and in one motion. The adhesive is single-use only, and after adhered, the dash cam cannot be repositioned. To purchase a replacement mount, contact your Samsara representative. Inspect the installation from the outside of the vehicle for proper adhesion. A lighter surface indicates an area where the adhesive has not fully bonded to the windshield. Tip: to remove any bubbles, use a flathead screwdriver or a small pry tool in the center of the backside of the mount to press out the bubbles. Use the larger size hex M3 on the shorter end of the Allen key to loosen both mount screws before adjusting. Rotate the camera body so it hangs perfectly vertical, then lightly tighten the screws. Do not fully tighten the screws until after the camera position is validated using the installation flow within the Samsara Fleet app. Use the smaller size hex M2 on the longer end to loosen the inward-facing camera screw before adjusting. Angle the lens towards the center of the cabin. Do not fully tighten the screws until after the camera position is validated using the installation flow within the Samsara Fleet app. If installing the dash cam on multiple identical vehicles, use the increment lines as a reference. Align the increment line on the bracket with the alignment line on the dash cam to replicate its angle. You are ready to connect the camera to the cables and vehicle gateway. Run the cables across the top of the windshield. Secure them using the cable clips. Alternatively, you could tuck it under the glass seal around the windshield. The cable should not wrap around the vehicle gateway or cross the diagnostics cable. Once you've connected the camera to your vehicle gateway, turn on your vehicle. To confirm installation, you can use the Samsara Fleet app to help install your AI dash cam. Select Install Devices, click Install New Device and follow the instructions for the AI Dashcam. Alternatively, you can confirm installation in the Samsara dashboard by selecting the Settings icon and scrolling to the Take Picture button. Make sure the driver's side and the road-facing cameras are calibrated and adjusted for the optimal field of view using the Installer app. For the driver-facing view, adjust the camera to capture the driver's head and the upper third of the frame, with the steering wheel in the frame as well. Use the Allen key to loosen the cameras before readjusting. Once all points of interest are captured, use the Allen keys to tighten both mount locking screws and the inward camera locking screw. Do not over-tighten. Your dual-facing AI dashcam is now enabled to capture HD video of the road and driver, so you can detect risk and protect your drivers, empower drivers to build safe driving habits, and unlock safety improvements for your organization. For more information on the features available for your AI dashcam, visit www.samsara.com/support. Plug the All-Gen 12-volt power source cable into the Tesla's 12-volt outlet. The Tesla Model 12-volt outlet location is inside the center console. Some models may vary the location. Check the owner's manual. Connect the power source cable to the 16-pin Samsara gateway. Finish the camera installation using the remaining steps. All cables and the gateway are stored in the console. Route and secure the camera's cable to the USB Samsara gateway. No need to power off the vehicle.